Welcome to our channel. When Capital One app won't work or shows login errors, these proven steps will resolve the issue. Step 1. Verify your username and password are correct. Check for typos and ensure caps lock is off. Step 2. Check Capital One service status. Visit their website or call to confirm no outages. Step 3. Update Capital One app. Go to App Store and install any available updates. Step 4. Clear app cache and data. Navigate to Settings, Apps, Capital One, Clear cache and data. Step 5. Check your device date and time. Set to automatic for proper security certificate validation. Step 6. Disable VPN connections. Banking apps typically block VPN access for security. Step 7. Ensure biometric settings are current. Re-register fingerprint or Face ID if using. Step 8. Try web browser login to determine if issue is app-specific or account-related. Step 9. Uninstall and reinstall the app completely. This eliminates corrupted files. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.